In this video, I'll teach you the methods to get your monetization back in case you have been demonetized for reused content. After so many times of applying, I finally had my appeal successful, so let's begin the story. This was the mail I received in April that my channel was no longer eligible for monetization. That was a devastating news and it came out of nowhere. The reason given was reused content. Now let me tell you something. Even if all the content belongs to you and the audio used is from the audio library, you can still have your monetization taken away from you. In my case, there was no copyright strike, no community guideline strike, there was not even a content ID match, but I still got my channel demonetized. I'll tell you why. First of all, you must add some value to your video, either in the form of commentary or showing your presence in the video. Now you must be wondering, what will happen to the old videos I have uploaded? Do I need to delete all of them? The answer is absolutely no. Do not need to delete all the videos. All you need to do is from now on do what the YouTube policies say. You do not need to delete your old work. Just be consistent from now on. Change all of a sudden. Forget whatever you have done in the past. Have consistency on your channel. Stick to one category. Do not change channel category. Describe what your channel is about in the description box. And in the already uploaded video, add subtitles to it. Yes, you can edit and add subtitles to the already uploaded videos. By adding subtitles, it counts as an additional value added by you. Now you must keep appealing even if you get rejected time and time again, because when you appeal, YouTube sees this as sincerity and loyalty. YouTube wants sincere and loyal creators. Be honest in your appeal. Tell YouTube everything. Even if you have shortcomings, admit it, but always be honest. So without further ado, let's just begin the demo video, how I made my video and how I got my monetization successfully restored. Hello Team YouTube, for the last 5 months I'm without pay and I don't even know why I'm getting punished for. Every month I apply, I keep getting rejected. Even my appeals have been rejected for no reason whatsoever. They say it's reused content, but I'm pretty sure that YouTube could not find a single reused content, but still they are giving me the same reason for demonetization. Now I'm a decade-old creator and for the last 5 or 6 years YouTube is the only source of income for me. I don't even have the money to pay rent anymore. Talking about my channel, there are over 600 videos on my channel and all of these videos are unique and actually shot by me and edited by me. I firmly stand and believe I have absolutely done nothing wrong and I urge you to have another look at my channel. So these are the expensive cameras that I use for making my YouTube videos, and there are plenty of them, 4 or 5 DSLR, very expensive cameras. Now all of these film studio equipments that I've purchased, all of these have the unboxing videos on my channel also. So this is my desktop and I play most of my video games on this device. On the desktop I stick to using the Movie Maker, and on the mobile device I use the InShot app. I edit all of the videos on the InShot app, which is on the Play Store. For stabilizing the videos, I like to use the Google Photos app. Now talking about my channel, initially started off as a full-time gaming channel, but as we age and get older and get some health problems, we tend to avoid gaming. Nowadays, I pretty much unbox sports merchandise and computer equipments, and I plan to do this in future videos as well. I repeat, every single video is my own creation. I firmly stand on this. You can do a thorough check and I'm pretty sure you will not find a single abnormality. Thank you very much.